to Pearls, Swirls, and Everything Girls. We're going to see if water can activate slime. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue. Let this come on. Good. This smells really bad. Don't want to use all of my testing glue since it's my favorite testing glue in the world. So now we are going to add a little bit of water and stir it. I think it's working. Oh my goodness. Is this working? Guys, I think I just made slime. Do you guys consider this slime? Do you guys consider this slime? I do very much. Oh my goodness, I just made slime, guys. I've made so much slime, but I had no clue water could activate glue. I think I want to add more glue. But let me go wash my hands. Alright guys, well, let's add more glue. I'm so proud of it. So proud of it for activating. Okay, I think that is enough glue. I don't know. Okay, let's just mix. Looks like it's pretty sticky. And a little too much water last time, so I don't want to add too much this time. I think it's good. This is not slime anymore, guys. Guys, if you like super sticky slimes, you would love this slime. But I don't think this water actually worked. I can't tell. Even with my fingers, I really can't tell. You guys write in the comments. I don't think so. That's it for this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I post new videos. See you all next time.